The DE40, or the DAX, is the benchmark German stock index. In this video, you'll learn more about the DAX index and how to trade it. What is the DAX index? The DAX is a blue-chip stock market index comprising 30 major German companies trading on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange. The DAX measures the performance of the prime standards 30 largest German companies in terms of order book volume and market capitalization. It is the German equivalent of the US Dow Jones Industrial Average, and because of its small selection, it doesn't necessarily represent the vitality of the economy as a whole. The DAX has two versions: the performance index and the price index, depending on whether dividends are counted. The performance index, which measures total return, is the more commonly quoted. However, the price index is more similar to commonly quoted indices in other countries. How to analyse the DE40? The two most common ways of analysing the DAX are technical and fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysts consider all available data to help them determine the relative value of a market, unlike technical analysts who mainly consider price action and trends. Fundamental analysis uses an array of available data, including corporate earnings reports, geopolitical events, central bank policy, environmental factors, and more to help them with their analysis. Technical analysis is the practice of forecasting potential future price movements based on the examination of past price movements. Technical analysts believe that if the DAX has been on the rise recently, it may continue to rise in the future because then it would be in an upward trend. How to trade DAX CFDs with XTB. You'll find the DE40 a CFD that moves and behaves exactly like the DAX index. We offer contracts for difference on over 1,500 global markets, including FX, indices, commodities, shares, and ETFs. Subscribe to XTB to learn more about trading and investing.